हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें ताकि आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियोस की अपडेट मिलती रहे। आज के वीडियो में हम फंडामेंटल राइट्स के टॉप 35 एमसीक्यूज गो थ्रू करेंगे जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में आपके लिए क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करना रहता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। विच पार्ट ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैज फंडामेंटल राइट्स? एंड द आंसर इज पार्ट 3. Second question, fundamental rights comes under which article? And the answer is Article 12 to 35. Third question, fundamental rights are derived inspiration from which country's constitution? And the answer is the USA. Fourth question, originally how many fundamental rights were in our constitution? And the answer is 7. Fifth question, definition of state mentioned in which of the following article? And the answer is Article 12. Sixth question, which article prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth? And the answer is Article 15. Seventh question, equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. And the answer is Article 16. Eighth question, abolition of titles except military and academic is mentioned in which article? And the answer is Article 18. Ninth question, protection in respect of conviction for offences is guaranteed under? And the answer is Article 20. 10th question, prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labour are guaranteed under? And the answer is Article 23. 11th question, freedom from payment of taxes for the promotion of any religion is guaranteed under? And the answer is Article 27. 12th question, where did the concept of equality before the law originate? And the answer is Britain. 13th question, where did the concept of equal protection of law originate? And the answer is the USA. 14th question, which of the following are not features of the concept of equality before the law? And the answer is, it is a positive concept to establish equality. 15th question, which of the following are not features of the concept of equal protection of the law? And the answer is, it is a negative concept of establishing equality. 16th question, Mandal Commission was appointed in 1979 by the Morarji Desai government. It is related to? And the answer is, investigate the conditions of the socially and educationally backward class. 17th question, originally how many rights were guaranteed under Article 19? And the answer is 7. 18th question, which of the following is not covered under Article 20, protection in respect of conviction from offences? And the answer is right to livelihood. 19th question, which of the following Supreme Court cases take the broader interpretation of Article 21, protection of life and personal liberty? And the answer is Menka case 1978. 20th question, which of the following article has provided the right to education as a fundamental right for children aged between 6 to 14? And the answer is Article 21A. 21st question. Which article was deleted by the 44th Amendment Act, removing the right to property from fundamental rights? And the answer is Article 31. 22nd question. Which article allows the Parliament to abrogate fundamental rights for member of armed forces? And the answer is Article 33. 23rd question. The right to constitutional remedies is guaranteed under which article? And the answer is Article 32. 24th question. What was added by the 103rd Amendment Act of 2019? And the answer is EWS reservation. 25th question. Which article guarantee equality of opportunity in matters of public employment? And the answer is Article 16. 26th question. Which article abolishes untouchability in India? And the answer is Article 17. 26th question. Which fundamental right includes the freedom to form association and union? And the answer is right to freedom. 28th question. Which fundamental rights cannot be suspended even during an emergency? And the answer is right to life and personal liberty. 29th question. The fundamental duties are mentioned in? And the answer is Part 4A. 30th question. Which of the following are fundamental duties? And the answer is all of the above, that is safeguarding public property, protecting the sovereignty, integrity and unity of India, and developing scientific temper and humanism. 31st question. Which of the following committee suggested incorporating fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution? And the answer is Swaran Singh Committee. 32nd question. Which of the following is given the power to enforce the fundamental rights by the Constitution? And the answer is the Supreme Court and High Court. 33rd question. Fundamental rights can be suspended during emergency. 34th question. In which article of the Constitution equal protection of law is provided? And the answer is Article 14. And the last 35th question. Under which article of the Constitution reservation in admission to educational institutions, including private and unadded to OBCs, ST, SC is made? And the answer is Article 15(5). तो ये थे फंडामेंटल राइट्स के टॉप 35 MCQs और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है राइट टू एजुकेशन एक्ट 2009 मेक्स एजुकेशन अ फंडामेंटल राइट अंडर विच आर्टिकल। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।